Shauna Controller with a new last name to avoid legal action and now signed to Down Sound Records, but insisting she's carrying her own weight in Joe's show.
I've been around Joe since 2004. I gave out CD for Down Sound one time. I did on Mullines Road. I never did take him as a stepping stone them time there. And him did just come to Jamaica them time there too. So, and I did just go around and feast around for my own, and him see that. So I there around, I go do my own thing. I never sit down in a Down Sound yard that depend upon him and I wish, I go feast off a Joe.
So it wasn't love at first sight, but it's love now?
Joe is my producer, he's my manager, he's nothing in love.
There's
intimate.
no romance between you and Joe?
No, oh gosh, a money man, rich man like Joe now, and a nice browning like me, they're on him. Them I got things say, yeah, this, I'm gonna do surgery again, I'm gonna say, oh, I'm pay feet, and all of this thing, but guess what, is every woman dreams same way for them at the shows on Medina.
You're going to Reggae Sumfest. The people are saying, could she possibly be on the same stage with a whole bunch of fantastic people if Joe just kind of didn't sort of, give her a blind?
Look how much people that they were.
In other words, did she earn her space there?
I did own my space. I have a video I got 3 million views, which is talk about Dreamland. I've been consistent. I have control button. I have so many things and people. I have many fans. I see a lot of people come on Sumfest who really don't reach as far as I am, and them come and them rock the stage same way. So of course I earn my spot. It's not because of Joe or anything. And really and truly, if I wasn't doing good, Joe would have put me on there.
So you have the fabulous body now, but right now you want the respect.
Yes, I am getting the respect already. It's just that people don't recognize, and they're not gonna recognize until it's too late.